Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq had no sons, hence his cousin Firoz Shah Tughlaq succeeded him to the throne after his death in 1351 CE. Firoz Shah Tughlaq was a peace-loving monarch whose reign is known for introductions of many useful reforms. Administration. The Muslim subjects of Firoz Shah considered him as a noble kind ruler. He stopped the earlier prevalent inhuman practices of cutting limbs, nose and ear to punish a person who had committed any crime. He provided jobs to the unemployed and set up a department of charity to help the needy at the time of the marriage of their daughter. He also founded a charitable hospital, Darul Safa, where medicines and food were supplied for free. A separate department was also set up to improve the conditions of slaves. Firoz Shah Tughlaq always encouraged agriculture, trade and commerce and abolished many unjust taxes on small traders and shopkeepers. He built 5 canals for the promotion of agriculture, out of which the largest would perhaps be at Yamuna Canal. He is said to have laid out 1200 gardens. It is said that he had 1200 gardens. In the neighborhood of Delhi, Firoz Shah founded a new city adjoining Delhi, which was named as Firozabad. The another main cities founded by him were Muhammadpur, Fatehbad, Jafarabad and Hisar. Firoz Shah patronized many poets, scholars and historians and gave them liberal grants. He built 50 madrasas to impart education, madrasas where Muslim children goes for study, madrasas to impart education to the people. He got many Sanskrit books translated into Persian language. He built 100 sarais for travelers, where traveler can stay at night, where traveler can rest if they got tired. So sarais, rest room you can say, for travelers and merchants. He also constructed the Firoz Shahi madrasas at Firozabad to impart higher education to Muslims. Firoz Shah Tughlaq promoted education and learning in his kingdom. He gave imputes to literature and other literary works. Due to these achievements, he was known as the Akbar of the Sultanate period. Because of good works, because of achievement, it is said that Firoz Shah Tughlaq is also known as Akbar of the Sultanate period. The famous historian Zia-ul-Din Barani wrote Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi, the history of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The dark side of the administration of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. What were they? We will see that later.